Good morning, everyone. Let's take a look at Westchester's weather. Taking a look at the radar right now, high cirrus clouds in control, but that will not be the case for long as a system from central Pennsylvania moves its way into our area. We can see with it some lightning. Actually, it's developing quite well into a nice thunderstorm line right around there. See the lightning strikes being plotted on our map. All this moisture, all this rain, not that much moisture, but coming from a low up in central Canada, spinning around, actually creating some snow with it. But that snow is touching nowhere near Westchester, but upstate New York actually is forecast for some snow tonight up near the Adirondacks. White Plains clocking in at 64 degrees with winds out of the northwest at 17 miles an hour. More the same for Scarsdale. Yonkers clocking in at 66, a little bit warmer and calmer winds. For the forecast today, mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms, high of 68. Everybody's getting something today, not like yesterday, where a few of us got rain, a few of us didn't. Actually, some sunshine for most of us yesterday. For the future cast, let's take a look at when the rain will start. It'll start with people down in southern Westchester, Greenburgh, south of there near Yonkers, Portchester, Rye. You'll be seeing the rain first, south of 287. Then it will be sweeping in. The worst of it will start around 1 o'clock, right after the lunch hour, north of Chappaqua near Mount Kisco, and south near Yonkers, Bronxville, and Mount Vernon. The moderate to heavy rain will continue for the next few hours until about 4 or 5 o'clock when it begins to taper off. And 6:30, that's when we will see the rain break. We might even see some sun right before the sun sets around 8 o'clock. And for our nighttime, beautiful, calm, cool. We might see some high cirrus clouds again, but other than that, we will see beautiful skies. Algae report, trees and grass, moderate because the rain will be washing it right out of the atmosphere, but the mold will be high. The mold comes in from all that moisture, and it loves just sitting, standing water. The mold spores will continue to grow, so if you're allergic to mold, be careful over the next few days. The daily planner tonight, mostly clear, breezy and cool, a low of 50. Tomorrow we rebound, 72 degrees, mostly sunny skies. The breeze remains with us. Friday, we save the best for last. The best of the entire week, actually, 75 degrees. We're warming up and the breeze will calm down. So the conditions will get drier, they will get warmer. It's going to get a lot more seasonable and pleasant for your weekend. The 7-day outlook, Saturday, the best of the weekend, definitely, unless you count Friday. 79 degrees, partly cloudy skies, especially towards the later part of the day. Sunday, unfortunately, we have to stop eventually. The rain will come back in, especially in the early part of Sunday. 77 will be your high for that. Monday, to begin our next work week, looks pretty good, actually. Partly cloudy skies, high of 74, moving in a little bit warmer as we approach the middle of next week. Good morning, everybody. Let's take a look at the radar over Westchester. Right now, high cirrus clouds are in control, but that will not last for long as a system from central Pennsylvania works its way on in, and with it, thunderstorms, lightning, the whole 9 yards. That's what's coming into our area over the next few hours. It all spins across this central low, which is north of Ottawa right now, actually bringing with it some snow north of Ottawa, but don't worry about that. No snow will be coming in our area anytime soon. White Plains clocking in at 64 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 17 miles an hour. More the same for Scarsdale. Yonkers a little bit warmer and the winds a little bit calmer. For our forecast today, mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms for everybody. No one gets spared today. A high of 68 degrees. Taking a look at the future cast to see who we get first. Who is going to get the rain first? South of 287, that's who's going to get it. Greenburgh, Portchester, Rye, Harrison, White Plains. That's the beginning of the rain. It's just light, maybe a little bit moderate rain for the next hour after that. 1 o'clock, that's when it begins. Anywhere from Mount Kisco, Chappaqua, all the way down to Bronxville, Yonkers, Mount Vernon, that's going to see some moderate to heavy rain, even when you see that dark red and the pink. The pink is bad. That pink is severe thunderstorms are possible. The rain will continue moderate to heavy for the next few hours till about 4 or 5 o'clock. Then it will start to taper off around 6:30. Everyone should be spared of the rain. And then for the nighttime hours, cool, clear, and just beautiful. Beautiful night. We might see some high cirrus clouds, but nothing to worry about. No rain after the 6 o'clock hour. Algae report, trees and grasses are moderate today because the rain will be washing it out of the atmosphere, but not totally. We'll still see some of it in present. Mold will be high. It's going to be very dangerous, because, especially if you're allergic to it, because the rain creates that atmosphere for mold spores to grow. As long as there's moisture in the air, mold will be present. Daily planner right now tonight, Mostly clear, breezy, cool, a low of 50 degrees. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, breezy, 72 degrees. We rebound very nicely. And on Friday, the best of the week, we actually saved the best for last. 75, mostly sunny. Taking a look at our 7-day outlook, the weekend looking pretty nice, actually, the beginning of it at least, 79 degrees, partly cloudy skies, especially into the evening hours. Sunday, that's when we start hitting it, 77 degrees. Rain will begin our day and continue persistently throughout the day. Monday, 74 to begin our next work week, actually looking pretty nice. And Tuesday, warming up to 79 degrees. Good morning, everyone. Let's take a look at our radar across Westchester right now. High cirrus clouds are in control, but that will not last for long as a system from central Pennsylvania works its way on in, and with it, thunderstorms, lightning, the whole 9 yards. That whole system coming from a central low up in northern Canada, spinning around, actually creating some snow all the way up north of Ottawa. That's not going to touch us, don't worry about it. Might touch the Adirondacks, though. White Plains clocking in at 64 degrees, northwest winds at 17 miles an hour. Scarsdale more of the same. Yonkers a little bit warmer and a little bit calmer winds. For today, we have mostly cloudy skies, showers and thunderstorms, a high of 68 degrees. Nobody gets spared the rain today. Everybody's getting something. So be careful for it, especially around the 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock hour. Take a look at the futurecast right now. 12 o'clock, that's when we start to see the rain down here in southern Westchester, Greenburgh, Harrison, White Plains. They're going to be the first ones. Portchester, Rye. Then around 1 o'clock, we're going to see light to moderate rain for the most part. Then 1 o'clock hour, anywhere from Mount Kisco, right around here, all the way down to the Bronx, Yonkers. You're going to see some heavy, moderate rain, and that's going to persist for the next few hours. Around 3 or 4 o'clock, it starts to taper off. 5, 6 o'clock, we shouldn't see anything else for the rest of the night. The rest of the night looking pretty nice, pretty clear. For our allergy report, trees and grass are moderate. Mold is high because of the rain falling and sitting on the ground, creating those mold spores and allowing it to grow. So if you're allergic to mold, be careful. Trees and grass is not that much, not as much as it was a few days ago, but definitely still present in the atmosphere. For the daily planner tonight, mostly clear, breezy and cool, low of 50 degrees. Tomorrow we rebound very nicely, mostly sunny, 72 degrees. Friday, we save the best for last, mostly sunny, warming up to 75 degrees. For our 7-day outlook, Friday looking pretty nice, as I said. Saturday looking a little bit better, a little bit more cloudy. The clouds will start to build in around 4 or 5 o'clock, around the afternoon hours. Sunday, that's when we start to see a little bit more rain. No thunderstorms, nothing severe, but definitely not a dry day. Monday, as we begin our next work week, looking pretty nice actually. Partly cloudy skies, 74 degrees, and Tuesday warming up to 79.